helps with every aspect of a kid's life. It's not always about the sports side of it, but if I get good rest, if I eat right, if I study right, it makes me a greater person every step of the way. Being able to come in and take this challenge between 4th and 8th graders, but to be able to talk to the 4th graders today, because that's where it starts at. And if we get them on track, then we got a healthy lifestyles, we got healthy, great individuals coming up, and we can be better people in this world.
1, 2, 3, 4.
You know, it's a blessing to be here. It's a blessing to be able to talk to young kids about just health, and being able to, you know, be a spokesman for this is just a blessing. And it's part of my life, is what I do. Me being an inner city kid coming from Cleveland, Ohio, being from Ohio, why not see greatness? Why not see fit?
6, 7.